Welcome back. Continuing the news. So we know that St. Catherine is leading the pack in terms of the number of confirmed coronavirus cases in Jamaica. But what sections of the parish remain under the Ministry of Health's radar? Well, a breakdown of the communities and others in other parishes was provided in a special select parliamentary committee on COVID-19 today. Of the over 500 coronavirus cases in the country, 293 are from St. Catherine. At a special select committee on COVID-19, the Ministry of Health revealed data showing LINSTEAD with the majority of the cases, 35. Old Harbour follows with 34, Greater Portmore 22 cases, while Waterford, Ensom, Ewerton and Bogwalk follow with 19, 17, 15 and 11 cases respectively. There are also cases in Greendale, Gregory Park, Independence City, Passage Fort, Bridgeport, Spanish Town Central, NAGGO Head, St. John's East, BRAETON, KITSON Town, Point Hill, Old Harbour Road and WILLOWDEAN. In Kingston and ST.ANDREW, there are 197 cases. Constant Spring has the majority of those cases, 11, followed by Delacree Pen with 8, Bull Bay has 7 cases, Harbourview and Ligony 6. The other communities in Kingston and ST.ANDREW with confirmed cases include Whitfield Town, MOLYNES Gardens, TIVOLI Gardens, Meadowbrook, Havendale, Olympic Gardens and SEAVIEW Gardens. Clarendon is the parish with the third highest number of cases, 35. Longville, Park and Hales among the problem areas. St. Mary with 18 cases follow. St. Anne and Manchester each have 12 cases, with communities like Ocherius and Christiana under the Ministry of Health's radar. St. James has 8 cases, Portland 7, St. Thomas and Westmoreland 2, TRELAWNY 1, and HANOVER 0 cases. The Ministry of Health says over 7,000 tests have been done, 53 are still pending. To date, there are 419 persons in isolation, 49 in hospital, 3 of whom are moderately ill. According to the data, there are no critically ill patients, and the country's death toll remains at 9. Now, as it relates to contact tracing, the ministry says it has investigated over 3,000 named contacts of confirmed cases, while several communities continue to be surveyed. Another revelation is that most people with COVID-19 are in the 20 to 29 age range. There are 197 such cases. 85 of the total number of cases are in the 30 to 39 category, while 60 of the cases are from persons in the 10 to 19-year age range. There are also more female than male Jamaicans infected with the virus. Also of note is that of the confirmed cases, 183 of the victims had symptoms. The top 5 include coughing, fever, headache, shortness of breath, and a sore throat. Another 183 of the cases were asymptomatic, meaning they had no symptoms, while 136 were classified as unknown.